Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert men's shirt into a dress and button shrug. So let's get started. Always choose large, extra large or extra large size of men's shirts. Remove the collar and sleeves. Mark point all around the neck at 1 inch from the neckline. Again mark a point at 5 inch below the neckline. It's your bust part, so take the size of your bust. Suppose it is 32, then mark 8 inch on both the sides, which is equals to 16, and that is half of the bust size. So I have marked 8 inch here and 8 inch this side. Now from the bust point, mark a point below 6 inch on both the sides. For the straps, mark a point at 3.5 inch from the neckline on both the sides. Join strap points to the bust point, leaving half inch of margin. Then join bust point to the waist point. Cut through all the points like this. Hem the edges of neck and sleeves and stitch this part. Now it was for those who like to wear loose dress, and for those who like to fit one, then stitch it this way. Just take your waist size like in the same way as we have took in the bust and join it like this. Now take the another shirt and using remaining part of first one, cut the other shirt. Join both the parts from one side like this. Take the lower part and join it with the upper part using awl pin. Now attach the corners first so that it does not disbalanced. Don't join this front part, it is the part where we have started. We will leave it like this so that we can wear it as a shrug also, and you can wear this dress using buttons. Give a straight stitch either by sewing machine or by hands. Now cut the collar part from the remaining shirt and make a knot like this and stitch it on the front part of your dress. It will make your dress more pretty. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the idea, give a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends, family members, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye.